Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 40 Neo, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, if you're using any other browser you will be simply able to recreate all of those steps, because this whole operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used. So simply watch it and try to recreate it on your website. On your browser, not website. Alright, so let's open the browser, as I said, Google Chrome in my case, and then simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, and if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But let's be honest, this way is not really efficient, especially when this list is really long. Then I highly recommend to simply tap on clear browsing data, because here we can do it automatically. Right here, so those three options are kind of basics. So we've got the browsing history, cookies and save data, and cached images and files, and then we've got advanced options and advanced data, so saved passwords, autofill, and site settings. It's up to you what you want to remove. I will remove everything, so let me mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to for example all time, or last 15 minutes, it's up to you. I will pick all time. Then let's simply tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.